In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel subscription with Activecampaign. This process is done inside your Activecampaign account, and it only takes a minute if you know where to look. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in with an account that has permission to manage billing, since regular users may not see these options. Once you are in your Activecampaign dashboard, move your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings area. This is where Activecampaign keeps administrative options like billing, integrations, and other account-level controls. After the settings area opens, look along the left sidebar for the section labeled Billing. Click Billing to open the billing page. Give the page a moment to load fully, since it may display plan details and subscription information. When you are on the billing page, scroll toward the bottom. Near the lower part of the page, you will find a link that says Cancel Subscription. Click the Cancel Subscription link to start the cancellation flow. At this point, Activecampaign will typically guide you through a few confirmation screens to make sure you intend to cancel. Next, you will be asked to select a reason for your cancellation. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This selection is usually required to continue, so make sure you pick one before moving on. After you choose your reason, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what happens after cancellation, such as changes to access, billing dates, or the status of your account. Continue through the confirmation steps until you reach the final screen. On that final screen, click the Cancel My Account button to complete the cancellation. Once you submit that final confirmation, your cancellation request should be processed. If you want extra peace of mind, take a moment afterward to look for any confirmation message on screen or a status update within the billing area so you know the request went through successfully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.